žao što te je.
Cim nevajadzēja.
Okay. Unboxing.
Missing! No, nummer 6.
Oh. Inte fokuser. So we found another fault. When we took apart the airbox, it was like someone has already messed with it. As you can see, here's here and on the other side should be clips, and someone just bolted them in from one side, so the tube is sitting not straight, but it's like pushed in one, like not completely in, and then this just slid off. That's strange because like of the harness. I think it should be a lot more tighter. And then there are these bolts which go directly into the valve cover where the cams are. No, not the cams, but the turning things, yeah. And when we bought the car, we could see that there's like an oil leak, and this all makes sense that the oil is splashing out from the valve cover on the valve cover, and that's why it is all covered in oil, and our oil is a little bit below minimum. My guess is that when it's below minimum, it just can't splash outwards. So my dad is checking right now what are there like bolts needed to be here, because this looks quite sus. And yeah. Alright, so we were wrong. These holes look to be normal for Ford, because there's like the two other ones are a little bit like dirty, but here there's like, well, yeah, that's not the from oil couldn't go out of there. And this is looking like this is really custom. This isn't Ford, and the oil leak is fresh there. So like I think, yeah, something's fishy down there. They snapped the bolt or something, I don't know, but it got all over. So now I'm going to clean the interior. Putas, paldies.
Tas nekas.
So overall, I like this car. It's like, it looks dirty. It is really dirty. Someone tried to wash it. There's like little rust spots. Yeah. but when you like look at the market fiestas, they don't get any better than this. And yeah, so this is quite the worst part. It's all bubbly there. When I was like, I couldn't even find the screw. Yeah, it's quite bad. Interior is dirty. The driver's seat is really dirty. Look. So it is really stiff. It's all really basic in here. The cool thing is that I have these massive doors. Yeah. This thing is broken. So, and also this is broken, so I pull it. This side works. That is broken. This is only dirt. As you can see, it looks dirty, but actually it's really clean. And also here there's a little bit of problem. This was strange. This was actually quite scary. Look, this is supposed to be white, and we have no cap. When we first bought it yesterday, we were what we were doing. We were like checking it out, and one of the 4 cylinders was like really misfiring. My dad's version was that because there was no oil cap, the octane from the fuel a little bit disappeared, and it could like clog up one of the injectors and stuff. Yeah. So it was like not running good. I cleaned this all out, but it's really dirty. Here's something crazy. So yeah, green. I'm gonna try this for the first time. Oh, nice. Don't mind the stuff. So this was quite I was really surprised about this shit. I have never seen anything this bad. The good thing that with the pressure washer it all comes down. Oh, it locks automatically. That's cool. Another really cool feature that I like about this car. See? So you can open it from the driver's side. Yeah. So interior quite dirty. Behind this, it's full of crap. Yeah, but really nice car. And also when we got the car, the coolant was really low. And this is power steering. It's empty. I don't know how my dad drove this here. Yeah, so there's this stupid feature. I can't physically like look how low the washer fluid is. Also, so wait. this thing, it's off of the car, and the main game changer is that I should find aluminium wheels, but not these shit. We need good wheels, and we need to polish the headlights. They are black edition. All this car is black edition, no chrome. If you don't mind a big oil leak, the oil is really black. On the dipstick I can barely see it, like like goldeny, and the exhaust is leaking, so I don't know where. So this muffler has a little bit of rust. Damn, this car is low. Like, damn. Alright. Let's check further. Let's see. What do we have here? Well, I can't find the exhaust leak, and the perfect thing. So, water, drunch. So this will clean up perfectly.